Welcome back to Eat Your Garden, Season 2. This time around we get to start a brand new food forest garden from scratch. And I've got to say I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to get into it. So we're going to be doing all the same old things, growing stuff from seed and checking plants out and all those sorts of weird and wonderful little things that we all love doing. But we get to do it together this time, so I can't wait. A big shout out to all you guys as well. You're absolutely amazing. You've kept this channel alive in my absence. And I've still been reading the comments and all those sorts of things. You're all amazing. But I actually haven't even been able to get into this channel for quite some time now due to losing the credentials associated with it. But we're back, baby. Eat Your Garden Season 2. Stay tuned. See you soon. So this area here is going to be wonderful. It's quite dark in some areas, so I need to open it up. I need to open the canopy up a little bit more light in. But it's very exciting. So not only do we get to start a new food forest garden in this area, we also get to do up the old house as well. Try and bring the old girl back to life again. She's a little bit run down. So I found the thing that was stinking in one of the rooms. It's a dead rat. I'm pretty sure it's a rat. I think it's a rat. So I'm also going to be incorporating a few of those videos as well. Some DIY projects. So there you go. Welcome back to Eat Your Garden. Series 2. This is my little lots of lemon tree, and it's its first year that it's produced fruit. It's produced 3 lemons that look absolutely beautiful. Another little one down here, just gorgeous. What I'm going to do today though is repot this up. So what I'm going to start doing, the first thing is I'm going to stick this pot into this pot to see what sort of volumes I'm playing with. So I'm just using a nice premium potting mix for this, because lemons are very hungry. These type of lemon actually do a lot better when they're grown in pots. It's just what they're raised to do. They stay quite a small tree and they produce full-size fruit. Great little lemon tree to have on your balcony in all those little small spaces as well. And you can contain it, it doesn't get out of control like a lot of lemon trees seem to do, like the one I've got up the back here, which I'll do another video on. So all I need to do now is fill this pot up with some good premium potting mix, because these are a very hungry plant. We want to give them some good nutrients and lots of nice goodies in that soil there for them. So we want to fill this pot up to the depth of this fruit bowl with new soil. Once you've done that, you just take your pot, just carefully pull your plant out, and stick him straight in his new home like that. All I need to do now is just fill the rest up with soil. Now lots of lemons lemon tree has a new home for the next year or 2. Strawberries. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So what I'm going to do is I've just found an old terracotta pot too. It's nice and deep and wide. And I reckon it's going to be absolutely perfect for these little strawberries to just grow in this nice little area here. So this pot already had a bit of soil in it. It's nice and loamy. It's got sand in it. Doesn't actually feel that bad. It's a bit clayey if anything, but I can add some improvements to this soil to make it a lot better than what it is. But it saves me a lot of soil for this big pot. I'm just going to tease these out now. I'm just going to stack them opposite on the pot. just like that. Give them a little bit of space in between the edge. Now, strawberries are a little bit of a perennial. Means they live for a few years. Actually, probably a short-lived perennial, if anything. They start bearing less and less fruit as time goes on. But what they do produce are little runners. You can take those runners, turn them into new little plants. I'm just using a nice composted blend for these little strawberries. They get quite shallow roots, and you'll notice after a while they'll start to become quite woody. That normally means at their end of their life, and they've done all they can for you. So there you have it, simple as that. Those little strawberries now, they're going to be quite happy there. Strawberries, done.